How to unblock borrow on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock borrow and or borrow money on Cash App. Now to do so, you'll have to follow these certain steps. I'll just be able to guide you, so make sure you listen to me. But here I won't be able to show it on the screen. What you want to do is you want to open up your Cash App application. Then you want to tap on the home screen icon if necessary to navigate to the banking header. Now there on the banking header, you want to tap on the banking option, and there you want to check for the word borrow. Once you see borrow, you can take out a Cash App there, and what you want to do is once you see the borrow option there, you want to tap on the borrow option, and then you want to tap on unlock option. And once you do so, you'll be able to unlock the borrowing option. So this way you can unlock the borrow option on Cash App. Similarly, to borrow money from Cash App, you must live in one of the states where Cash App borrow is available. So there you want to make sure that you are in the states where the borrowing option is available, and you also need to be at least 18 years old and have a good credit history and have an activated cash card and be a frequent app user. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.